friends, I am Parth Kamath and I welcome you to my channel Parth's Experiments. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to make lemon battery and salt water battery at home. So please watch the video till the end and also like and share my videos and also subscribe my channel. So let's start! Let's start with the salt water battery. To make salt water battery, we require water, glasses, salt, zinc plates, copper plates, and pieces of wire. First, we should fill these glasses with water. Then we should add salt to it and stir it till it dissolves. Then we should join wires to copper and zinc plates like this, which I have already done. Then we should take one zinc plate and one copper plate and connect it. We should connect many plates like this. And leave one zinc plate and one copper plate individually. Next, we shall put these pairs in the salt water so that in each glass there is one copper plate and one zinc plate. Friends, now you can see the whole setup of the battery. In this battery, the copper plate acts as the positive terminal and the zinc plate acts as the negative terminal. And the salt water acts as the electrolyte. The salt water breaks the atoms of zinc and copper, which results in the release of electrons. In this battery, the electrons move from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. The movement of electrons is called electricity, and the measure of the force of moving electrons is called voltage. So now let's measure the voltage generated by this battery with the help of a voltmeter. Friends, here you can see that this battery is generating almost 2 volts 30 volts. which is which can easily glow a LED, which can easily glow a small LED bulb. So now we will try to glow a LED bulb with the help of this battery. Friends, here you can see that this bulb is glowing, and when I remove this plate from the salt water, it is getting off. Now let us make lemon battery. To make lemon battery, we require lemons, copper plates and zinc plates. First, we should take the lemons and make two slits like this. Then we should connect wire to this zinc and copper plates like this, which I've done already. Then we should connect this one copper plate and one zinc plate together. And we should make many pairs like this. And leave one copper plate and one zinc plate individually. Then we should insert these pairs of plates in these lemons as shown earlier. Friends, now you can see the whole setup of this battery. In this battery, the copper plate works as the positive terminal and the zinc plate works as the negative terminal. And the acidic lemon juice acts as the electrolyte which breaks the atoms of zinc and copper. Now we will measure the voltage generated by this battery with the help of a voltmeter. Friends, here you can see that this battery is generating almost 3 volts 88 or 89 milliamperes millivolts. which can easily glow a LED bulb and also run a motor. So first we will try. Today we have seen how to make salt water battery and lemon battery at home. I hope you will make these batteries at home and see the LED glow. See you soon with my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.